a very warm welcome to Bombay Dyeing Annual Retailer Conference. Can I hear you make some noise? With this year's theme being Bombay Dyeing Performers League, that is BDPL, Return of the Challengers. मेरे साथ क्रिकेट में मजा आया? ईस्टर्न ईगल्स को बहुत मजा आया. ईस्टर्न ईगल के सपोर्टर्स तब भी नहीं थे, अब भी नहीं है. अब तो जीत गए, अब भी सपोर्टर्स नहीं है. Can I hear everyone make some noise for Eastern Eagles? यार मजा नहीं आया. Can I hear everyone make some noise for Bombay Dyeing? That's more like it. Before we go ahead and introduce to you some of the fun-filled activities we planned for you, I would like to introduce my very beautiful counterpart, my co-anchor, who's talented, beautiful, and I think she's gonna steal everyone's heart. Please welcome Avneet Kohli.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and a very, very warm welcome to the Bombay Dyeing Performers League. I'm Avneet Kohli, your host this beautiful evening, with my very handsome counterpart Akash Beri, who's been entertaining you all on the cricket field all afternoon.
Avneet, boring them. Sorry. Boring them. Yeah.
But I'm sure the Eastern Eagles, though they are a minority, are having a good time.
I don't know, did I bore you guys while commentating? No, they were too busy staring at the cheerleaders actually.
Akash, मुझे मजा नहीं आ रहा. एक तो I think we've kept them waiting for way too long. Because I think थोड़ी मदरा की सर्विस थोड़ी full speed में बढ़ाई है. So थोड़ी आवाज मुझे आई इधर. Northern Lights. Come on guys, make some noise. Southern Sensations.
That's more like it.
Eastern Eagles.
Delhi Dons. यार Delhi Dons. अरे उस वक्त इतने सपोर्टर्स थे, हार गए तो सब गायब. ये प्रॉब्लम.
जो हमारे दक्षिण डैशर्स.
1 2 3 4 5.
See, we have to be very fair out here, ठीक है?
Exactly,
you all are now going to hoot for your own teams. You all should know, in a 100-pointer game, BDPL being a 100-pointer game, there are 20 points for team support and cheering. जो हमारे 100-pointer game है, जिसके we are playing for the next 3 days, there are 20 nice big points for cheering and team support. So if you all are not going to be shouting, you all are not going to be having a good time, there's no point of coming to Goa. Am I right? Are you ready to have a good time at the back there? Alright, fantastic. आकाश, मेरे को बस एक बात याद आ रही है कि कहा जाता है कि हर हिंदी पिक्चर में, एक्चुअली हमारी मम्मी भी हमें कहती थी कि हर शुभ कार्य का शुरुआत करने से पहले we should always take the blessings of the Almighty and our elders.
Exactly.
We are going to be kickstarting 3 days of non-stop business, non-stop fun, a lifetime opportunity here in Goa at BDPL. मगर उससे पहले, I think it's high time we welcome Mr. Sinha and Mr. Poddar on stage to please light the lamp and kickstart the lovely auspicious occasion this beautiful evening.
Mr. Sinha, Mr. Poddar, give a big hand, ladies and gentlemen. जिस तरह क्रिकेट में सचिन तेंदुलकर, सुनील गावस्कर को इंट्रोडक्शन की जरूरत नहीं है, वैसे यहाँ पर मेरे ख्याल से इन दो शख्स को किसी भी इंट्रोडक्शन की जरूरत नहीं है. पर ये दोनों शख्स हैं कहाँ पर? Where are they? There he is. Please guys, a big hand, Mr. Sinha and Mr. Poddar. Guys, come on, a big round of applause. Waiters, दारू की सर्विस तेज करो प्लीज, तालियां नहीं बज रही है.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are kickstarting 3 long, beautiful days of non-stop fun and frolics with a little bit of business involved. Let's pray we all reach our targets. Let's pray we have a fantastic time. Let's pray we get lucky with the cheerleaders.
Avneet, you too? By the way, it worked. Many times I've actually provoked the batsmen to look at the offside when the cheerleaders were standing, and every time they got out, सारे batsmen जब भी offside देखते थे out हो जाते थे. But that's what, Avneet, as we say, that's what cheerleaders do to us nowadays. IPL में ज़्यादा लोग matches cricket के लिए नहीं देखते, cheerleaders के लिए देखते हैं, including me.
हमारे जो Night Riders थे, I think they faced the brunt of that the first year with Shahrukh's team, literally losing all the money but making the money off the cheerleaders.
Yes.
It's been a very auspicious beginning with Mr. Poddar and Mr. Sinha's hands. Well, that's the spirit.
That's more like it, guys. Come on, louder. A bit louder, guys. I promise you're gonna have the time of your life tonight. दिया को जलने नहीं दे रही है। मिस्टर पोदार, वैसे सबसे पूछना चाहूंगा मिस्टर पोदार कुछ ज्यादा हैंडसम नहीं लग रहे हैं आज, जरूरत से ज्यादा डैशिंग लग रहे हैं आज। हाँ या ना तो बोल दो हाँ यार, यही हाँ बोला है। मिस्टर पोदार की बात कर रहा हूं मैं, एक बार हाँ तो सुन लो। हाँ, डाउन होती जा रही सबकी एनर्जी।
Well, ladies and gentlemen, it's been a fantastic beginning. And yes, Mr. Podar is looking very handsome. Thank you so much, Mr. Podar.
Thank you so much, sir.
At that note, I'm going to request Mr. Raj Sinha, who's also on stage with us, to bring in the celebrations, to please give us the welcome address.
Thank you so much. And welcome to Goa. I can see quite a few perplexed faces in the crowd. And the question on the face that I can read is, why Goa? Firstly, because the world is round, and secondly, because 6 years ago, when we had a conference in Goa, the business went very well that year. Therefore, towards the end of the year, we got a bright idea, and as a result of that, we had our first overseas conference. Then we went to Thailand. Then we went to Thailand. Then we went to Thailand. And then we realized that we had run out of bright ideas. So we've come back to Goa. The hope is that you all will give us a very good conference. The hope is that Uparwala will be with us. And most importantly, the hope is that the market will be with us. So my friends, towards the end of the year, we'll gather in Bombay Dyeing, the management. We are sure to have some bright ideas, and we are sure to meet somewhere very fantastic next year. I'll give you a brief perspective about the year that has started. We started the year with B1G1. The campaign went very well, the business went very well. Then we had a great sales school uniform business. In fact, it is going on. All of you can refer to your friends in Tamil Nadu and Kerala particularly. The school uniform season has been going very well. It is still going on. My heartfelt thank you particularly to retailers from Tamil Nadu and Kerala, because you all didn't want to come, you don't want to lose business, yet you have made it, found time to come here. Thank you. Thank you very much for that. Also from Kerala, there is another good news, because the first step towards the new festival happens with Onam in Kerala. And we were doing some bookings, pre-booking of suitings and shirtings in Kerala. And the result has been fantastic. The bookings that the Kerala retailers have already given for suitings and shirting has been very encouraging. So ladies and gentlemen, the portents for the new year, the portents for the coming season are very good. In support of the season ahead, there are many things I would like to have told you, but the time is short. I'll leave that to Mr. Podar to tell you about how we are going to ensure that the season ahead and the festival ahead goes very well. I will end my short speech with the reiteration of the Bombay Dyeing Performers League. We have already had a cricket match. 3 winners have already been announced, but that is not the end of the tournament. We have 4 or 5 more activities. I'll just read them out to you. One is a contest called the Closest to the Consumer contest. The details will be unfolded to you later on, but that is to be one. Then we have a VM display contest. We have a booking related contest. Then on the 25th evening, we'll be having a question. 2 questions will be put to you. There'll be fun questions. One related to Bombay Dyeing, the other related to movies, a very popular, one of the most popular Hindi movies. So there'll be 2 fun questions on that. The winners will be the people who give the right answers. And we'll end it all in high spirits. What it means, what that competition is, I leave it to your imagination to leave it to your imagination. And before I call Mr. Poddar, just one last thing. Many of you keep talking about Chinese goods. My only request to you is, when you talk of Chinese goods, when you look at Chinese goods, please think of Rakhi Sawant. Lots of packaging, not much of content. So when consumers come to your shop looking for Chinese products, buying Chinese products, please remind them of Rakhi Sawant. And tell them that Aishwarya Rai, Madhuri Dixit, Vidya Balan, they have more lasting value. And we identify ourselves with them. So thank you very much, and may I request Mr. Poddar to come.
Hi. Good evening.
Good evening.
Maza nahi hai. Good evening.
Good evening.
That's right. First of all, a very big and warm welcome to the entire Bombay Dyeing family present here. Welcome to Goa, the land of sun, sea, and of course the Feni. Feni is something that will keep you in high spirit. But I am hoping that it is the confidence that will keep you in high spirit, not the Feni. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Bombay Dyeing Performance League 2012, the return of the Avengers. The theme of this conference, you will notice, is similar to the last year's. The difference being there will be a lot more challenges to the last year winners in terms of performance. It has been an interesting year that we as a company and nation have witnessed. Much like a roller coaster ride with ups and downs, highs and lows, always eventful but at the same time not dull. But the country has held its position in spite of global financial turmoil. The year ahead of us, however, holds lots of promise. The Indian retail sector, especially backed by robust economic growth, favorable demographics, is bound to see an accelerated period of growth. According to the Fitch, the global rating agency, the outlook for Indian retail sector will remain stable in the next year. The BMI Indian retail reports forecast that total retail sales will grow from Indian rupees 19 trillion in 2011 to Indian rupees 30 trillion in 2015, just 3 years away. Now, what are the reasons? Strong underlying economic growth, population expansion, the increasing wealth of individuals, the rapid construction of organized retail malls, the expanding middle and upper class consumers. These are the base key factors behind the forecast growth, which is slated to throw up opportunities in India's second and third tier cities also. We at Bombay Dyeing should be very alert to this opportunity and foresee ways to create and improve capabilities and to recognize opportunities in a value generating way. Now let us quickly see what we have done in the last year, in 2011. In terms of Bombay Dyeing communication to the consumers, 2011 saw several initiatives across media, from television to press to the online space. It saw the launch of much appreciated Bombay Dyeing brand film after a gap of 6 long years. Several tactical offer-driven films which prompted the buy one get one offer, which I may also add attracted a lot of eyeballs in the marketplace. The brand's presence in the mainline media was also augmented by print media and interesting magazine innovations. Last year, there was an effective and innovative magazine campaign undertaken during the festival season to coincide with the brand film Happy Home to You, and in online space by Bombay Dyeing own website www.mybombaydyeing.com. We also launched innovative product ranges in all categories. These are all past. What we want to offer you for this year and the year ahead. Let us talk about some new initiative that our team has taken in last 6 months to 1 year time. I will go point by point. These are very important. Please listen to it carefully. Now, when I joined last year, I met last year you guys in Bangkok. Many people had apprehension about the on-time delivery, service level and other things. So you wanted a better service and on-time delivery. Well, you got it. An independent supply chain management department has been created. Mr. Govind Das Gupta will head the department along with our own Abhay Lalvekar. Number 2, our trade partners always wanted higher retail margin. We are announcing the same here as a first step towards making retail more profitable and viable. No claps? Very good, thank you. Number 3, you wanted individual traceability of each product. We have launched the barcode on each product by which you can trace each and every piece. Number 4, you wanted a better retail data to see the sales and stocks on real-time basis to make your sales strategy. We are happy to announce the point of system IT software which will change completely the retail phase of our all retail business. The company will also invest huge amount for this project. Number 5, you wanted an entry-level bedsheet and towel. I remember a few months before I was in Calcutta, one of my retailer friend, he just told me, Mr. Poddar, do something, at least to give one bedsheet around 500 rupees. I promised the gentleman, I cannot find him here probably, that yes, I will try my best to launch a product for 499. Of course, I couldn't do it at 499, but at least 549 is our first step to give you a mass product, a bed sheet of 2 pillow cover, 549. We wanted last year that we are very thin below 1000 rupees MRP. We have hardly any products in below 1000 MRP. If I'm not wrong, tomorrow you will find there are 5 price point below 1000 rupees MRP in bed sheet. Also in towel, you will find there's an introductory range of, I believe, MRP 249. Thank you. Number 6, you wanted a very, when this 549 and 249 is the bottom end of the pyramid, we must look into the top end of the pyramid also. You wanted a very premium luxurious bedsheet range. Well, here is your rupees 1 lakh plus bedsheet set. We made it happen. Tomorrow you will get it. Nobody in India had a courage to launch a bedsheet set more than 1 lakh rupees, and we have launched this time. I hope that it will get good response and you will be able to earn very good margin out of that. You wanted some innovative packaging. Here we have made some nice changes and introduced QR product code. QR is such a code, if you scan through any smartphone, it will lead to the Bombay Dyeing website and anybody can visit to that website and can see what are the offers, what are the products about the company and product. And the last but not the least, you wanted some innovation in value-added range to cater to the specific segment of the market. We are launching Pima, which is a high-thread cotton collection using rich cotton fiber of US origin, that is Supima. Another product like Parma White, which has a property to maintain the whiteness index up to at least 20 washes. Quick dry bed sheets that offer convenience and ease to use, especially to the hospitality industry like hotels and hospitals. Now all these developments are important because with rapidly evolving taste of Indian consumers, the first changing market landscape and growing competition, we now need to be sharper, more alert, more efficient and determined, not just to hold our position or market share, but also to propel the growth. Growth is something which we need to work out every year. The coming year looks very promising with several initiatives lined up, from store facade makeovers to the launch of new collections. Of course, innovations will drive our thrust in the future. I am happy to announce that Bombay Dyeing brand is going international, with its presence expanding across Saudi Arabia and Dubai. And I welcome Mr. Muhammad and Mr. Bhasi from Saudi Arabia. Mr. Muhammad, are you here? Yeah. Welcome. Mr. Bhasi is also here. And Mr. Shabir Bhai from Dubai, are you here? Yeah. Thank you. So, I welcome Mr. Muhammad and Mr. Bhasi from Saudi Arabia, Mr. Shabir from Dubai in retail conference. It will be our pride to see the product on the retail shelf and glowing Bombay Dyeing board in these countries. And many times we feel that our brand connect with the youth segment needs to be strengthened. We know that in a country of more than 1 billion population, there are many religions. But I believe there are two more religions which made us crazy, which are cricket and the film. I believe these are the two religions in India. To make our bond stronger with the young population, I am happy to announce the launch of an exciting new tie-up with one of the leading India's biggest brand, the Yash Raj Films. That's right. Films with this all excitement, romance and joy will now be used to the youth of India. Thanks to interesting design and motif inspired by Yash Raj Films epics from Silsila to DDLJ and soon to be released Ek Tha Tiger. Ladies and gentlemen, as members of the Bombay Dyeing Performance League, I expect each one of you to give your 100% in next 2 days so that we move forward confidently to the next year. And what could be the better way to open out your innings in terms of the booking than by making an auspicious start on the day of Akshaya Tritiya. Please note that tomorrow is Akshaya Tritiya. To set the tone for the coming year. People believe that if we buy something in Akshaya Tritiya, the value of the same goes double. I hope whatever you will book tomorrow, you will get double return. And that's not me I am saying, that's the belief in Indians. Yeah, that will get 100% margin, sure. Thanks once again for your participation to retail conference, and I wish you good luck to each one of you. May God bless you. But at the same time, I want one AV to be presented of Yash Raj Films.
कभी कभी मेरे दिल में ख्याल आता है कि जैसे तुझको बनाया गया है मेरे लिए।
कभी मैं कहूँ, कभी तुम कहो कि मैंने तुम्हें ये दिल दे दिया।
तुझे देखा तो ये जाना सनम, प्यार होता है दीवाना सनम। अब यहाँ से कहाँ जाए हम, तेरी बाहों में मर जाए हम।
मैं एक वादा करता हूं आपसे मिस्टर नारायण शंकर कि जब तक मैं यहां से जाऊंगा, मैं यहां पर इतनी मोहब्बत भर दूंगा कि 10 जन्मों तक भी आप उसे निकाल नहीं पाएंगे।
हमको हमी से चुरा लो, दिल में कहीं तुम छुपा लो। हम अकेले खो न जाएं, दूर तुमसे हो न जाएं। पास आओ गले से लगा लो।
तुमने मेरा बैग खोला
क्यों? लड़कियों के बैग में ऐसा क्या होता है?
तुम्हारी आंखों में कोई एक्सरे है जिसे तुम कपड़ों के अंदर देख सकते हो। तुम्हारे बालों को क्या हुआ है?
What? It's my Tom Cruise look यार।
बचना ऐ हसीनों, लो मैं आ गया। ए बचना ऐ हसीनों, लो मैं आ गया। हुस्न का आशिक, हुस्न का दुश्मन, अपनी अदा है यारों से जुदा।
प्रॉमिस मैं कभी फ्रेंडशिप के आगे नहीं बढ़ूंगा।
क्या गारंटी है?
ब्रेड पकौड़ी की कसम।
Celebrating the wire of collection.
from Bombay Dyeing.
Do you like it? जोर से. So you will sell, you will book more tomorrow. Very good. So in the ending, I would like to leave you with a few inspirational image and word. Can we have the AV please further?
हिंदुस्तान के सबसे बड़े सुपरस्टार शाहरुख खान की एक फिल्म आई थी चक दे इंडिया, और चक दे इंडिया का सबसे ज्यादा खास सीन रहा था ये 60 मिनट। वो सीन ने मुझे एक्चुअली में बहुत इंस्पायर किया, और उसी सीन से इंस्पायर होके आज मैंने आप सबके लिए कुछ लिखा है। और मैं कहना चाहूंगा आपसे कि ये दो दिन जो आपके सामने अब हैं, ये आपकी जिंदगी के सबसे खास 2 दिन हैं। कहने को आपके पास 365 दिन हैं, लेकिन इन 2 दिनों के बाद चाहे आप अच्छा खेलें या बुरा खेलें, लेकिन ये 2 दिन आप जिंदगी भर भूल नहीं पाएंगे। आज आपसे ये नहीं कहा जाएगा कि ये 2 दिन आप कैसा खेलें, लेकिन ये जरूर कहा जाएगा कि अगर आप जान लड़ा देंगे, जी लगा के खेलेंगे, तो ये 2 दिन हर खिलाड़ी जो यहां पे मौजूद है, हर टीम जो यहां पर मौजूद है, ये 2 दिन आपसे खुदा भी नहीं छीन सकता। थैंक यू सो मच। कहने का मतलब ये है, वी ऑल वॉन्ट यू टू गिव इट योर बेस्ट शॉट। अगले 2 दिनों में आपके सामने कई तरह के कॉम्पिटिशन होने वाले हैं, एंड इतना ही कहना चाहूंगा, डोंट टेक देम लाइटली, गिव इट योर बेस्ट शॉट, अर्न मोर एंड मोर पॉइंट्स, क्योंकि एंड में विनर एक ही टीम होगी। एंड अवनीत कहते हैं जो जीता वही, क्या एनर्जी है, जो जीता वही, थैंक गॉड कुछ तो आवाज
निकली। यस आकाश, एब्सोल्युटली राइट, जो जीता वही सिकंदर। उसी थीम के साथ हम चाहते हैं, उसी स्पिरिट के साथ अब अगले 2 दिन खेलें। मगर मुझे याद आ रहा है कि where we are celebrating India, I mean Bombay Dyeing being one of India's oldest and largest home solutions when it comes to textile and anything you name about comfort and you think of Bombay Dyeing, there are certain people who've made it possible. people who've offered their services over 30 years. That's almost a lifetime. I don't think he's even 30 years old. However, we would really need to get into the Long Service Awards to recognize and reward all the hard work those people have put in to give Bombay Dyeing its recognition in the masses today. And to do the honors, may I welcome on stage Mr. Devashish Podar, please. Zordar taaliyon ke saath, let's have Mr. Podar on stage to do the honors.
Guys, it's very prestigious. We're talking about those retailers who have been with Bombay Dyeing for ages, for years. And I'm sure आने वाले समय में भी ये Bombay Dyeing से जुड़े रहेंगे और Bombay Dyeing को और भी तरक्की की बुलंदियों तक पहुंचाएंगे.
This is only a small effort on our part. एक छोटी सी हमारी कोशिश है कि हम उनके effort को appreciate करें, आप सबके सामने felicitate करें. Our first, oldest long association receiver goes to Mr. Narendra Bed from MS Sandeep, Chennai, who's offered his services for over 36 years. Let's give him a huge round of applause.
Guys, a big hand, please, come on.
For Mr. Bed, 36 long years of service.
Next is Mr. Shiva Shanmugam. Mr. Shiva Shanmugam, Vipco Retail Shop. For 35 years he's been with Bombay Dyeing. Mr. Shiva Shanmugam. Mr. Shiva Shanmugam.
One more person with 35 long years of service, Mr. Raghavendra Chavan from MS Lakshmi Textiles, Gulbarga. Zordar taaliyon ke saath, let's welcome both these gentlemen for 35 long years of service.
Next is Mr. Surya Prakash from Manasa, Rajamundry. He has been with Bombay Dyeing for 34 years. 34 years. Mr. Surya Prakash. Guys, come on, please clapping for them. They have been with Bombay Dyeing for ages now. And I'm sure आने वाले समय में Bombay Dyeing के साथ जुड़े रहेंगे.
May I also welcome Mr. Vinod from MS Devta, Ongole for 34 long years of service. That seems like the South region. So what happened to the Southern sensations?
Better. A bit better, I must say. Next is Mr. Mahanand Singh from Ragini Patna. He has been with Bombay Dyeing for 34 years. Mr. Mahanand Singh. Mr. Mahanand Singh.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's the second year of BDPL, Bombay Dyeing Performers League. Second year in Goa. We're felicitating our long servicers who've actually been, our long service retailers who've been with us for 30 years and plus. Requesting Mr. Ashok Kalra from MS Kalra Stores, Agra, for offering 34 long years of service to please join us on stage. Mr. Ashok Kalra. We have his young son receiving the felicitation on his behalf.
Next is Mr. Sunil Kolahandi from Santosh Telecherry. He has been with Bombay Dyeing for 33 years. Mr. Sunil Kolahandi. Mr. Sunil.
Mr. Anand Kumar from MS New Sarita, Patna, for 27 long years of service. A little more than a quarter century. Let's give him a huge round of applause.
Next is Mr. Soma Sundaram from Sivakami Trivandrum. He has been with Bombay Dyeing for 25 years. Come on guys, a big round of applause for all of them. Keep clapping, come on.
Mr. Kanchan Bhaumik for MS Srimurthy, Kolkata, for 24 long years of service.
Mr. Harvinder Singh from New Fashion Point, New Delhi. He has been with Bombay Dyeing for 22 years. Mr. Harvinder Singh.
Come on, Delhi Dons! Let's cheer him up! That's our first Papa Ji on stage tonight.
Come on, a big round of applause.
Mr. Ardeep Singh from MS Amarjay, Bangalore, for 19 long years of service. Let's give him a huge round of applause.
is Mr. Sunil Shah from Creations, Mumbai. He has been at Bombay Dyeing for 18 years. Finally, Mumbai. Mr. Sunil Shah from Mumbai.
And last but not the least, Mr. Anand Krishna Rao from MS Heaven, Hyderabad for 16 years of service. With a huge round of applause, all our long service retailers who've offered their effortless long service over the years. Thank you so much for all your support.
Please welcome, sir.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's give them a huge round of applause.
Come on!
It is truly a very, very precious moment for all our retailers who've been with us for a very long time. Congratulations once again.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you.
आकाश,
Yeah?
तुम्हें नहीं लगता जब क्रिकेट की बात हो रही है, but the captain has a very important role to play in every team.
I think जब भी क्रिकेट टीम कोई हारती है, जीतती है, सब कैप्टन की गर्दन पकड़ते हैं.
I know.
धोनी जब वर्ल्ड कप जीता था, सब धोनी कर रहे थे. ऑस्ट्रेलिया सीरीज में हारे, सब धोनी को गाली दे रहे थे. I think कैप्टन की गर्दन हर जगह बजती है.
वो सेम बॉसेस के सामने भी कुछ ऐसा ही होता है, मगर हमारे कैप्टन्स हैं कहाँ? हमारे 6 टीम्स के कैप्टन्स कहते हैं, come up on stage quickly.
All the 6 captains, quickly, come on.
Delhi Dons.
It's time to have some fun. All the 6 captains of our cricket teams. Come on, come on, come on. Southern Sensations, Delhi Dons. All the 6 teams, all the 6 captains. Okay, we're waiting for 2 more. Here he comes.
Alright, which teams do I have with me out here? I only see Eastern Eagles wearing his t-shirt and feeling like a captain because he's won the tournament today. He's with the highest amount of points. Your good name, sir?
Vipul.
Well, that's the spirit. Woo! Nobody else in uniform. Yeah, okay, there's only captain, but which team?
Western Warriors.
Alright, Western Warriors.
Yeah!
So how about you?
My name is Madan from Southern Section.
Southern Sensations.
Come on, Southern Sensation.
Who do I have here?
Yeah, I am from Northern Knights, Rajesh Goyal.
Mr. Goyal from the Northern Knights. I love
Yeah,
him.
Ayana Pasab.
Srinath from Southern Sensations.
We have two Southern Sensations.
2 Southern Sensations we have.
This had to be a Rajnikant effect. This had to be it. Alright, and where is the 6th captain? There he is, slow motion walking towards us. The Delhi Dons have arrived now. कहते हैं कि
डॉन को पकड़ना मुश्किल नहीं, नामुमकिन है, पर आज मैंने और अपनी तो पकड़ लिया. अरे बाप रे, सर कह रहे पकड़ के तो देखो. सर थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू फॉर द ऑफर. But guys, honestly, cricket का मजा इसलिए है because everyone had a great time, isn't it? Let's hear it once for all the 6 teams.
Well, मुझे also लग रहा है that a captain is somebody who sets the pace for his team. He's the role model, the idol, right? तो इनको आपके लिए एक एग्जाम्पल तो सेट करना ही पड़ेगा.
Exactly.
3 दिन हमें काम तो करना है, मगर उसके साथ मजा भी तो लूटना है. थोड़ी पार्टी शार्टी करनी है, थोड़े डांस मूव्स प्रैक्टिस करने हैं. Don't you think the DJ should have some nice Bollywood number ready and we should see how good sporty people they are?
You know something? एक काम करता हूँ, मैं एक डांस स्टेप करके दिखाता हूँ और सारे कैप्टन उस डांस स्टेप को मेरे पीछे एक करके कॉपी करेंगे और ऑडियंस डिसाइड करेगी किसने सबसे अच्छा उस डांस स्टेप को कॉपी किया.
उनके लिए मेरी तरफ से 5 points, हाँ?
ठीक है?
In 100 point का 5 points.
Okay, first captain, so please come. Okay, okay. So what's your name again?
Amen.
And your dance step is? Go for it, sir. Oh, oh, oh. Sir, one more. Come on, sir. Yeah.
Come on, the rest of the audience.
What do you think, guys? What do you think? Let's head for the next captain. Sir, very easy step for you.
So you can flex your muscles.
Come with me.
Like Dharmendra too.
Okay, sir. धर्मपाल जी सबके फेवरेट है. एक स्टेप और सर, एक स्टेप और. What do you think, guys? Okay, our third captain. So what's the name?
Double sensation.
Sir, आपके लिए. Come on, sir. Oh, oh, oh.
इसे कहते हैं कलम नाच.
सर एक और बनता है. सर एक और बनता है. My goodness, guys, come on. Okay, next captain. I'll give a repeat step again. It's one of my favorite steps. What's the name again? Very simple step, huh? Go for it. Aha. 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 There we go. What's the name?
Winning team, huh?
Vipul.
Don't be easy to them.
Winning team, huh? Vipul, very easy step, huh?
थोड़ा हेलन भी चलेगा.
Okay, Vipul, imagine you are in a strip club and you're very hot. Do like this. Come on, guys, how was it? Okay. Let's participate. What's your name? Madan sir. आपके लिए sir. Very easy, sir. Rajesh Khanna. एक बार सभी कैप्टन्स के लिए कैन वी मेक सम नॉइज. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. You all are such good sport. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys.
Keep up the spirit. I'm going to see the same spirit at 10 a.m. tomorrow when the counters are booking opens. Yeah.
यार कोई ये नहीं सोच रहा इन छहों ने दो स्टेप किए, मतलब मैंने कितने किए?
तेरी वर्कआउट हो गई ना आज की. चल टेंशन मत ले. अच्छा, well अभी जब डांस ड्रामे की बात हो ही रही है, so बॉम्बे से बहुत ही स्पेशल डांस ट्रूप आप सबके लिए मंगाया गया है. So let's add some Bollywood flavor to this lovely casino evening. जोरदार तालियों के साथ let's have our rhythm dance troupe on stage.
Give a big hand, guys.
Come on, let's pump up the volume.
Volume, please.
at the Bombay Dyeing Performers League, जहाँ बात होती है cricket की, entertainment, Bollywood, glitz and glamour all come hand in hand. Here is our glimpse of what we call perfectly glamour. Ladies and gentlemen, we now present a very special fashion show with our first collection, which truly provokes the explorer in your heart time and again. It brings back the wonderful things in the world in your bed tonight. Here's a wish list of all the voyagers written on yards of fabric running on the bed. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for wonders of the world.
That was awesome. Guys, come on, a bigger round of applause. अब भी कहना पड़ेगा यार. एक बार जोर से दम लगा के. अच्छा वैसे यहाँ पर मुझे लाइट में सब दिख नहीं रहे हैं. यहाँ पे शादी किस किस की हो चुकी है? हाथ उठाओ. फिर भी गलती से शादी किस किस की हो रखी है? सब कुंवारे मतलब यहाँ पर सब कुंवारे हैं. सब असल में बिना बीवियों के आए हैं ना. अभी बीवियां बगल में बैठी होती तो सबके दोनों हाथ खड़े होते. Any which ways, moving on.
Well, I think, did you all enjoy that fashion show? Did you all? Do you all want to watch some more? Or do you want a Bollywood break? You want what more? Tell me what more you want. Everything is here. However, ladies and gentlemen, जोरदार तालियों के साथ let's welcome our next performance this beautiful evening in a totally Bollywood style once again. जहाँ मुन्नी बदनाम वापस एक बार होने वाली है. तो जोरदार तालियों के साथ let's have our rhythm dance troupe back on stage.
तुझ में
Ladies and gentlemen, presenting Ooh La La.
Yellow diamonds in the light, I was standing side by side as your shadow crosses mine. What it takes to come alive.
Ladies and gentlemen, taking you back to the retro times. It's time to bring the oomph out.
Guys, come on, a big round of applause.
Let's give that a huge round of applause.
That was awesome.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, that brings us to the end of this beautiful evening. A little bit of Bollywood masti. We're going to make sure that all of you get some fantastic sleep for tomorrow, because we have the bookings that open up at 9:30 a.m.
Right, 9:30 sharp. The bookings start at the Braganza Hall. So I request everyone. वैसे मुझे request करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. I'm sure everyone is going to be there. So I want everyone to be at the Braganza Hall, 9:30 sharp. The booking's gonna start.
Well, as of now, just help yourselves to dinner. Have a fantastic time further. This is Avneet Kohli and Akash Beri signing off. Have a pleasant evening.
Good night, guys. Thank you so much. God bless you all.